Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Ryobi Power Tools are probably one of the most popular and versatile power tool brands on the market, offering a wide range of products for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. From drills and saws to impact wrenches and sanders, Ryobi has established itself as a reliable and affordable option, making it a go-to choice for many home improvement projects and construction tasks. This video will provide an in-depth review of Ryobi's most popular power tools, exploring their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if they're the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Ryobi P18-1918 V1 Plus Combo Kit. Get ready to see the Ryobi P18-1918 V1 Plus Combo Kit. It's the ultimate solution for all your DIY and professional projects. This kit includes 6 essential tools: a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, and an LED work light. Everything you need to get started. It comes with both a 4.0 Ah and a 1.5 Ah battery, giving you extended runtime for longer projects. No more worrying about running out of power. A handy carrying bag keeps everything neatly organized and easy to transport. You'll always have your tools ready to go. It's part of the Ryobi One Plus system, meaning it's compatible with over 125 other tools. Expand your capabilities with just one battery system. The Ryobi P18-19 provides everything you need, from tools and batteries to a charger and a bag. It's the perfect all-in-one solution. What we like. This kit is a great value, offering a wide variety of tools for various tasks. It comes with 2 batteries, so you can work longer without interruption. If you're starting your DIY journey or need a comprehensive set for various projects, this is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Ryobi R18GN18-0 Nailmaker. This is the Ryobi R18GN18-0 Nailmaker, part of the One Plus system. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making your projects easier. Easily adjust the depth of your nail driving with a simple switch on the back. This gives you complete control over your work. It features an LED light to illuminate your work area, even in low light conditions. A separate trigger prevents accidental firing. The low nail indicator helps prevent damage to your wood by warning you when it's time to reload. It helps you avoid dry firing. Adjust depth settings and clear nail jams with simple tool-free adjustments. It's quick and convenient. It's part of the Ryobi One Plus family, compatible with various 18V batteries. This means you can use your existing batteries. What we like. This tool offers great control and precision. The adjustable air pressure and LED light ensure accuracy and visibility in any lighting condition. If you're a professional or serious DIYer who values precision and ease of use, this is the tool for you. What people say. Sturdy construction, well packaged, easy to assemble, good quality. This has really worked out well. It fires in the nails from the smallest size right up to 2.5-inch nails. I have all the settings of the gun set to halfway and it fires the nails in below the surface. I have used it on soft wood and mahogany, which is a bit harder. It works great. It's lightweight and easy to use. No problem with nail jams or any other issues. Number 3. Ryobi 18V Multi-Tool. This is the Ryobi 18V Multi-Tool, your new go-to tool for various tasks. Its versatility and power will make your projects easier and more efficient. It's powered by an 18V battery, providing ample power for all your projects. You'll get consistent performance, no matter the task. This isn't just one tool, it's many. It easily adapts to different attachments, making it incredibly versatile. With 6 variable speed settings, you're in complete control. It allows for precision and power, depending on your needs. From intricate detail work to more demanding tasks, it handles it all with ease. Experience the convenience and power in one tool. Watch how easily it tackles various materials and projects. It's the ultimate tool for any DIY enthusiast. What we like. This tool provides ultimate control and versatility for various tasks. The multiple speed settings allow you to adjust the tool to the specific material and project. If you need a tool that can handle a variety of materials and projects with precision, this is a great option. What people say. It is super lightweight. And can do things that no other tool can do. I'm not sure how I've lived without this tool. I have another cutting tool, but this thing is even better. Very handy, works well for me. This unit is great. No wires, a battery unit that makes cleaning mower deck small with cutting jobs easy and fast. Bought the accessory kit for it and can do many jobs quickly. Had the batteries for it already. Number 2. Ryobi P611 Planer. This Ryobi planer is a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Its cordless design and powerful motor make quick work of any planing project. It features an automatic kickstand, preventing damage to your workpiece. This thoughtful design protects your materials and ensures a clean finish. With it, you can make precise cuts up to 1/16 of an inch per pass. This versatility allows you to tackle a wide range of planing tasks. The integrated blade wrench storage keeps everything organized and readily accessible. No more hunting for tools in the middle of a project. Please note that this is a tool-only package. Batteries and chargers are sold separately. Check out the Ryobi One Plus system for compatible power options. For our international customers, please be aware that terms may vary, and it's sold from abroad. There might be differences in fit, age ratings, or labeling. What we like. This planer offers convenience and precision. The automatic kickstand protects your workpiece, while the depth control ensures accurate cuts. If you need a precise and convenient tool for woodworking projects, this is the right choice for you. What people say. Left or right discharge chute was simply and convenient. Adjustment knob easy to hold and click, though I left at default setting. Went right to work and never ran out of power with 4Ah battery. I really liked how well the tool was made and how well tool performs, especially like the guide that is built in so you can edge plane with a good degree of accuracy. This planer made quick work of a custom thick set of heavy doors we have on our office. This planer made quick work of the job and left a clean surface at the bottoms of each door. Easy to use, works with the typical Ryobi 18V battery that many of their other hand tools use. Blade appears easy to change, adjustments are quick and easy with the knob. Number 1. Ryobi P884 18V1 Plus Combo Kit. This kit is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's packed with 6 powerful tools and comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 2 long-lasting 18-volt lithium batteries. These are compatible with any other tool in the One Plus system, giving you ultimate flexibility. The drill boasts 2 speed settings for precision and power, and its variable speed trigger gives you complete control. The reciprocating saw features a tool-free blade change system and an adjustable pivoting shoe for precise cuts. This kit also includes a circular saw with an exact line laser, an impact driver, a job plus base, and a work light. All the tools are lightweight and easy to handle, and a handy carrying bag makes it easy to transport everything to your job site. The included dual chemistry charger can recharge the batteries in as little as 30 minutes, minimizing downtime. The work light is incredibly versatile. It can sit flat, stand upright, or hang, and its swivel head lets you direct the light exactly where you need it. What we like. This combo kit offers great value and convenience. It includes multiple tools and 2 batteries with a fast recharge time, minimizing downtime. If you need a comprehensive set of tools for various tasks and value efficiency, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. Circular saw is small with a 512 blade. It cuts with ease. I've used all the tools in the set and am very happy with the quality as well as the battery life. This is a heck of a deal for what you get. I was looking at these at Home Depot, and the fact that there are so many tools that use these batteries and I can purchase them separately is awesome. I can get power tools to outdoor equipment that work with these batteries. Currently using all the tools to remodel my kitchen, and I've used every 2 that came with the kit and they all work flawlessly. My guy friends can't believe the great quality of this kit, which comes with 2 batteries and robust charging base. The drill features magnetic tray to hold screws and bit holder for extra bits. The saw has a laser cutting line for accurate cuts. Multi-tool is compatible with Dremel and Bosch tools. Comfortable to use and has been great in helping me remodel my kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.